We'd heard opening arguments from both the state and the defense. One side arguing that former officer Shaun Lucas was justified in using deadly force. The other side arguing Jonathan Price was never a threat. It is one of the most high-profile court cases in recent memory for Hunt County. A former Wolfe City officer faces a murder charge in the shooting death of Jonathan Price. Families for both were in court Tuesday as opening arguments were made. Before that, the jury was picked over Monday and the early part of Tuesday. The state argued that on October 3, 2020, Price was drunk but not aggressive when he met Lucas, who was called to the scene of a quick check for a fight. Questions surround whether Price did reach for the officer's taser. The state said in opening arguments this shooting was not necessary, and if it was not necessary, it was murder. The defense, led by Toby Shook and Robert Rogers, the same attorneys for Dallas officer Amber Geiger, said Shaun Lucas gave 20 loud commands over 60 seconds. Jonathan Price followed 0 of them.
Whether or not Jonathan Price was compliant during the encounter is actually irrelevant. The most important question in this case is whether or not Officer Lucas was confronted with deadly force when he made the decision to use deadly force against Jonathan Price.
Attorney Lee Merritt represents the Price family. He says he's prepared the family for a long and emotional trial. Over the next several days, the jury will see body-worn camera footage from the officer's perspective, testimony from lead detectives and witnesses, taking the jury back to that October 3rd day that altered the course for many families. In Hunt County, I'm Jobin Paniker.